Yo, check this out. This is N9NSENSE, representing for Warieka LTV. You see the vision, don't it? See the vision. Warieka LTV. Keep it locked.
Now, I'm gonna tell you. We, us as bloggers, these are the issues that we need to address. You understand what I say? You see? Set the path for the youth. Share, like, and subscribe and stay tuned to the channel. I don't know all this. Yes, I. Greetings, brothers and sisters, once again. Now, the mighty name of His Imperial Majesty, the Emperor Haile Selassie I. You know, see, and all things that's good and wonderful amongst us. Welcome, all viewers and subscribers. Viewers, if you like the content, subscribe and grow the platform. You know, see, you see, my comment section become a mix-up space. I'm not telling a lie, I joke. But there are some people in there with some crazy idea. You know, see, when my subscriber link me out of the blues, he want my email address, send me email address to get the bridging link me up, say about some information. You know, breaking information. See, so I say, what I go on? See, because we are talking on the phone. And I'm bad at cat advice, you know. You know, see, say, C4 a Serpy. I say, where you come from with the argument there? The two of them sound the same way. You know, see, that's what you mean by, you know what Serpy sound like for you. The Serpy have computer vibe. And that thing mean, you know, see how Serpy, you know, see how C4 cause I have the judge. I said about the judge, the defense, the man them liar him cause. Yes, yeah. You know, Uncle Serpy alone could have did do that. You know, here, how Serpy talk to people when you and Serpy, you know, agree about something. You know, yes, the man tell the judge, say, you're a property liar. Who else in Jamaica could have come up with an argument, attack or something like that? Something I stop laughing, you know, Rasta. And I pay attention now, you know, because it's better you look like him and make sense. So, and, you know, I tell me revive by the point now, I say, what you mean by Serpy and C4? What make you think that? I say, yo, all of the things them with C4, I say, he mean Serpy, I say them long time. Only thing C4 come add on a few more details on the thing. You know, see, you must say, again, the familiarity is stark because the energy where the brother fight with can only compare to that of Serpy. That's me, I said, that brother, yeah. You know, say, when, what I respect and appreciate still, you know, it's a critical thinking where we start to resurrect amongst two another as a community over here, so when we are all reasoning, you know. It's impressive. You know, I love see the depths of the thoughts and things like that. But, yeah, if you sit one side and observe the reality of that as opposed to the, you know, it not being possible, it's like you're stuck. That's or no. You know, see, because with all due respect, you have to observe, you know, so them say even the idiot have something to say, you know. Sometimes a bit of wisdom come out of the idiot mouth. So I have to stop and pay attention because, you know, sometimes some things go over with and slip with. But I have to share it with them because it make a nice laugh and it give us good cause to study things deeply and deeper. You know, see, that I'm saying Serpy is C4 or C4 is Serpy. Again, we can't say it's not. I can't say it's not. We don't know who it is, because we don't know who Serpy is really. You know, see, we don't know who C4 is neither. We just know say there's an interrelation with two of them agenda, and we can't agree with that with the idiot. Well, we're not, no disrespect to the subscriber. Oh my goodness, I can't believe I just said that. I'm not saying the subscriber will come up with them argument there is an idiot. I just say sometimes even the idiot, because I mentioned earlier, I said even the idiot have something to say. Sometimes even the idiot makes sense. You know, just I make reference back to the idiot where I'm saying, so sometimes we have to listen to the idiot. Not that I'm saying the subscriber is the idiot, because it's a very important form of thinking, the type of thinking we would have like with politicians them even come to realize, would have like even with law enforcement them come to realize them level of thinking here. You know, see, because again, it's beneficial to the crisis where we are faced these days. Not that we want to hurt nobody or hurt nobody feeling. I'm sure Sir P is laughing at this, because even if it's true, you get what I say? Again, it can't, I'm not saying it can't hurt him, or you know, see, to more complement the process, because again, it's a stellar job C4 though. If only we have just hope say the support from the the bureaucrats them, like the police them, the authority them involved, is as formidable as C4 is. You know, see it, and we will get some serious sickness off of the road, because that's what means see the operation and the perpetration of the Klansmen. You see, it was perpetual madness, constant madness over and over, repeat itself, play over, and the man them take pleasure out of it. You see it, so we can't accept that type of thing. Again, only mad people can identify with the rules and the actions of the Klansman. You see it. So, you know, yeah, but if probably them are just, Bridget, probably them are just brothers in arms, man. Probably them are not really the same person, but you know what I say, have the same aim and the same agenda, and you know, strive for the same result in the end. You know, see it. And like we say, stellar effort, and we have to appreciate love and you know, see both side of the thing, both where the subscriber I think, and both the performance and action. Again, we not gonna agree with everything what Sir P do. And we're not gonna agree with everything we say. No, far from it. But again, we have to say it's a good effort, and we have to respect the effort. You see it. But I'm gonna come up with that. I have to say, Bridget, what I mean by the man them sound the same. You see, Sir P voice of this started man, and them sort of thing there. Only a man like Sir P would have deal with the judge like that. You know? You know? I said, and again, only a Jamaican would have come up with some argument like them there. You know, see, man, they must say, like C4, and the same thing them, but Sir P, you know, C4, you know, like two of them apart. But again, from another perspective, you know, Sir P's, we call it, obvious experience regarding law enforcement. You know, see, you could have said, well then, you know, set him aside from the rest. But I say, well then, that would have make him different, or would have be, but again, nobody not have no true, you know, it can all be applied same way as a distraction. Sir P is a master at that, in this, you know, him work out the whole of that, and the thing between them again is that the intelligence factor, the IQ factor is way up in terms of what them do. Both the what Sir P do is groundbreaking, and what C4 did and is doing is groundbreaking, and that take extraordinary intelligence as well for pursue that agenda under the circumstance in a Jamaica. You know, see, knowing so well that even the very police them where you know, very law enforcement them, I work with the criminal them, I work with Klansman them, and them sort of things that so the likelihood for identity or purpose get exposed was enormous. You know, see, so it took extraordinary skills. And it's not just skills, it doesn't matter how skilled you are either, you know. It took extraordinary motivation to do that, you know, see it. And you have to wonder where the motivation I actually like which part the which straw broke the camel back and thing like that, you know, see it. And you know, yeah, so there is a lot of addition for go on for match up the thing, you know, see it. But let them go on the way them do. You know, see it. I will have to just watch it, make it work out itself. You know, see, another thing, you know, when it comes out to systemic corruption and things like that, we have a world population of corruption. Not for all corruptions are reflective of the American standard and things like that. The heights them where we aspire to reach based on our resource and, you know, prospects and things like that. It's next to impossible. We leave all and leakage elsewhere in our society because other things for fester. You know, see, like gangsterism and badness, or invest in hopes and education for the youth, them who bypass them thing that for play catch up and keeping up with the Joneses and things like that. So because of them aspiration, which is a cultural thing among us, even with the leadership and things like that, you know, we find people entertain more of an admiration for the American and the British or Western world and things like that, and try to compare, you know, the abilities to afford the same amount of civility with these third world countries who themselves contributes and is still contributing to the deprivation where, I mean, the third world country these first world country has contributed to these deprivation and is still contributing to it. And enough of the learned one, them amongst us tend to overlook this scientific process that is still being perpetrated daily and tend to rubbish and blame the youth them. There is no solace, there is no semblance of hope, there is just total condemnation. And to the knowledge and the expert delivery of these people, you know, these people have psychological potency, you know, see it. And when we see them characterize you, them like that, knowing say this characterization will only becomes flesh eventually, we can only assume certain people have switched alliance or have never been connected with the ground that much if you have any expectation or hopes for a change or for a betterment. You understand what I say? And it's treacherous, to say the least. You understand what I say? Because again, if you're going in another man gang or crew and say, yo, I am loyal to you, I'm no longer loyal to the gang that they used to hang out with. See, inevitably, them now go have no respect and no love for you. You know, see it. So you have to show your alliance and maintain that and take a stand. Show some integrity and standards. You know, see it. You can't lean on a man back and support and promote another man's game while you diminish yours. It's lazy. All you have to do is just hold your space, stay in your lane and grow yours to the level where it can accommodate a certain civility. You know, see, I mean, it's not the youth them fault. And if some big man can identify and observe that, they must keep their mouth shut, because, I mean, some of the best among the best, Babylon's best, most potent weapon has always been one of us, and we are aware of that. So we don't have a great expectation from the loudmouth. You know, see, what I like know, so the man, them focus on the science of what go on and do them best for disentangle the threads that keep the yarn, that ball, a twisted mess together, Rasta. You know, see, other than that, we can only see someone as agent and soundbite. We not say the individual particularly is that at this point. We not, you know, see, we have to just know, say, we are aware of them things, yeah, and we bear in mind so that we don't get broken hearted time after time. You know, see, anyway, now the mighty name of His Imperial Majesty Emperor Selassie I. Share, like, and subscribe. Right now, I'm showing you the full length of the video where the girl was being racist to the black woman that said she come from Kiev. And then now I say a social distancing, she claims social distance as a reason for being like that. Anyway, we'll put the whole video together, part 1 and part 2, and we'll entertain you with it at the end. So stay tuned. Give thanks. Rastafari.
What is wrong with you? Did you just came out of the cave? Is this the first time? Is this the first time?
You're actually going to put your hands on me over a seat on the train that I have paid for today.
I have paid for as well. Please stay away from me. Please respect.
Are you actually seeing this?
I am taking you
Are you
all.
actually seeing this? You actually put your hands on me.
Did you actually block my space?
You actually.
Yes, I did.
You put your hands. You put your name and put your hands on me.
You put your hands on my property.
Sorry.
Please stay away from me. Please stay away from me. Okay, good for you.
Is there someone on
Send.
I give a shit.
Really? Are you harassing me?
I do not give a shit.
Are you harassing me?
Yeah. Don't touch me.
Don't film me.
I've got a picture of you. Thank you. I've got a picture of your face. Thank you.
Who are you gonna call?
Oh, you're scared now. Are you scared? What? Are you scared?
Are you filming me without my consent? You're filming me without my consent. Why are you filming me?
Why are you filming me?
Why are you filming me?
Because your behaviour needs to be reported.
What's my
I'm not gonna lie
behavior?
here.
What is my behavior? You touched my property without my consent. Now you're filming me without my consent.
And what did you do? And what did you do?
I had to push you away. I'm sorry.
No. Don't say sorry now. Could you put your hands
I'm
on
not
me?
apologizing. That's just being polite.
Okay.
Are you filming me without my consent? I'm sorry to say that. No, I'm sorry. Do not touch my property, ma'am. I'm sorry to say that. I am exempt. You do not wear a mask.
I'm exempt as well.
Where is your badge? Where's your phone? Your phone. Your phone. If you don't wanna wear a mask, then you can go out. This is unacceptable.
You're fine.
Unacceptable.
Bye-bye.
This is unacceptable.
Bye-bye. Assaulted 3 people on the train today.
You
well
just-
done. Clap for yourself. You can sit down for
Assaulted.
yourself.
Assaulted.
Clap for yourself.
You're filming me without my consent. You're not wearing a mask. You're filming me without my consent. You touched my property. You touched my property. And you guys should be socially distancing when someone is exempt. You shouldn't be sitting right next to them. You're not even wearing a mask. Is this acceptable behavior?
It's yours.
We are having new strains out there, and you guys are not socially distancing. You're not considering other people's space and needs. Is that all right? This is the reason we're getting new strains. People like you are the reasons we're getting new strains, and you're still in that stage. People like you is the reason there is no order here. What you just did was illegal.